Hi, I'm Emily. I am from Columbus, Ohio. I just recently graduated from Ohio State with my bachelor's in exercise science. Um, Given that I got my degree in exercise science, I'm pretty interested in being active. So I like to run, I like to play tennis, and all of that fun stuff. Originally, I thought that I wanted to be a physical therapist. But now I'm thinking that I want to be a physician assistant. So I have a couple of prereqs that weren't required for physical therapy that are required for PA school. So I have to take biochem, OChem, and microbio. So this summer I'm just working on getting those taken. I have to finish biochem by the time I apply for PA school in August, so that in the fall, all I'll have to take is OChem and microbio. So I have to finish this class pretty quickly. So I've taken biochem before, but it doesn't count for PA schools. So it'll be interesting to take it again. And I like that this class has like more of a medical spin to it. So it'll be really relevant to what I'm doing in the future. Also, for PA school, you have to get patient care hours. So I'm working on getting those this summer. I am working at a children's hospital and I am volunteering at like a free clinic for like a homeless shelter. So I'm just working on getting my prereqs finished up and getting my patient care hours done. And then hopefully I'll be able to apply for PA school, and hopefully the plan is get in to start either next summer or next fall. So we will see, but I'm looking forward to getting this class started.